Hi there, it's Nick back again on the Get Me Off Grid video blog. This is some of the slightly more crumbly pieces of fuel block. This is made with corrugated cardboard. It's a lot lighter and a lot thinner and sounds slightly more hollow, and I think it's going to burn a lot quicker than the other blocks that I made out of office style paper, which are much more wooden, much more solid. You know, you can bash them and they make a proper wooden type noise. These don't. As you can hear, that's a much lighter, deader noise. Okay, so if I crumble these bits up and shove them in the wood gas stove, we may get possibly some rapid combustion. I don't know. I want to see how it behaves, because I'm trying to get to know different qualities of homemade papier-mâché and cardboard papier-mâché type fuels, and the different types of paper and cardboard have different effects. And so this is like a practical experiment. So I'm going to crumble this up, shove it in there, and basically set fire to it and see what happens. Okay, I took a couple of the pieces of fuel block and dipped them in alcohol and set them inside the wood gas stove just to get the whole thing going. So you're currently seeing, I think it's mainly the alcohol burning off, but I think we're starting to get some gasification reaction as well, so we just have to see how it goes. Okay, we have definite changes in flame heights, flame color and flame temperature. We got a bit more bright yellowness coming into the flame itself. The smell coming off is much more typically wood gas related, so I think we've got a wood gas reaction going. Some of the coals in inverted commas at the bottom are actually glowing red, so essentially I think we've actually got pyrolysis in action, and that is real. Wood gasification flames, which is coming off the top there, it's not just the alcohol burning off, that's real, proper, healthy wood gas flames, you know, the way that they should be if you were burning wood. So just put a bit more fuel in, what the hell. Let's hope those little pieces catch and start providing more smoke, because the smoke burns. So that's what wood gas is, you know, it's basically smoke and gases coming off from combustion. So it hasn't been a very long burn, but with this type of fuel you don't expect it to be too long. But it's going, and it's free fuel. Okay, it started burning down to coals, because it's a short burn time with this type of fuel, so I put a few more pieces in and they started to gasify. Flame height slowly coming back. So one thing I've learned is that this fuel is actually okay for the wood gas stove. I can feel the heat coming off this thing. You know, it's the tin's getting nice and hot. So outdoor cooking, yes. And this fuel is made from cardboard and paper. Corrugated cardboard and paper mashed up and into a block. Yeah, you could cook off this stuff. It's like the radiant heat, which is really like getting to me. There's something different about the quality of radiant heat that's coming off the stove. It must be burning at a reasonably high temperature, but you know, a different release of gases and flame for some reason. I don't know why. It's all being consumed to basically zippity squat down there. Amazing. But, you know, experiment's quite positive. This is a fuel that works.